Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how to basically build a Tkinter desktop application inside Python, which actually takes a screenshot of your window using a dialog box where you can save the image file using a certain location. If I now run this application, what you will find out that you will have a simple button out there inside your Tkinter application, and if I hit this button, basically it will now ask me to save or name of my output file name where I need to save my image file. So I can just select my location. Let's suppose I want to save it inside my downloads folder, and let's give it a name at result image. So you will see in that location, if I check downloads result.image.png file is stored. You will see it has taken the screenshot. It has successfully saved that image inside my location. So we will try to build this application, guys, inside Tkinter using a module called as pillow library. From the pillow library, we have got a image grab module. We will use this. So let's suppose start this application. So right here, we will first of all need to import the Tkinter module as TK, and then we need to import the file dialog module from Tkinter library, and from the pillow library PIL, we need to import the image grab, which will actually take the screenshot of the specified region. In that case, we will take the full screenshot. And here we will be initializing a Tkinter application TK. And then we will have a simple button in the screen. So inside the Tkinter application, we will have a simple button, a widget, TK button. And here the text will be simply take this screenshot. So inside double quotes we will have take screenshot, and we will be attaching a command. Command is something like whenever you click the button, what sort of action that you need to perform. So we need to perform or execute a function which is called take screenshot. So we will now define this function, which is take underscore screenshot. So inside this function, guys, we will first of all show the user a screen where they can select the output file path where they want to save the output image. For showing their dialog box, we will use the file dialog dot ask save as file name. This is basically the thing we will invoke here. And here we will pass the default extension. So if they don't write the extension, automatically this will be processing only .png files. And after that, now after they press the enter key, we will save that image using image grab module, and it contains a grab method, and then we will simply save this at the specified location. So we will pass the file path inside the argument here like this. So that's all. And now we just need to show this button on the screen. So for showing it, we have the pack method. So this will actually show the button on the screen. And now we just need to start this Tkinter application. So root.main loop. That's all. So this will start the Tkinter application. All the source code is given in the description of this video. I have written a complete blog post where I have given all the source code. So now you will see there will be a button out there, take screenshot. If I hit this button, I will be redirected to simply tell me the file name. So I will say result file name. Image is saved right here. And now if I go to my directory, you will see result file name. So this is the screenshot it has taken. You will see that automatically it has saved it at the specified location. So this was the simplest of Tkinter application, how to capture screenshot and save the image at a specified location using pillow library. Thank you very much for watching this. Please hit that like button. All the source code is given in the description of the video.